Water is waist high at this point. We've seen one gentleman, he was walking through earlier. The water is really high. Hold on a second. I think there's somebody else on the other side here that's also trying to help them.
It may seem like the weather is slightly improved just by the fact that I'm not being beaten up so severely, but the truth is the wind has just shifted ever so slightly, and as a result, it's just around the corner of this building. If I stepped over there, I would be gone in an instant. It is just like a wind tunnel of massive proportions over there, and the wind is still continuing to blast Corpus Christi as it's been doing for a number of hours. But really, the past 2 hours here have been the most intense, and it's starting to have an impact. We're hearing some numbers now, 63,000 people locally without electricity. And then on top of that, the city of Corpus Christi, just as a precaution, issued a boil order. They say that the public water system now, just because of all of the rain and all of the wind, cannot be trusted to be safe for drinking. So as a precaution, they're telling people to boil their water. So what we're doing is now getting a taste of what life could be like after Harvey finally finishes here. But we're nowhere near that point yet. You can hear the wind starting to really wind up. That's one of the things that makes you in the dark a little nervous, because I can hear it as it literally winds up and then it delivers the massive blow. But again, the building is doing a lot to try and protect us. If you haven't left, do not try to leave under these conditions. The time to leave was long ago, and now people are being told to hunker in place. Exactly how many people stayed, we don't know for sure. There were a lot of people we saw on the highway yesterday. That's 37. They were going north towards San Antonio, so they heeded the warnings. But this was one of those Gulf storms that you always fear as a city planner, the one that explodes so quickly that there's very little time to prepare the public or get them out of harm's way. They had about maybe 72 hours, maybe 48. That is not enough time to board up and get out. So a lot of people may be stuck where they are.